Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable LMS integration with Zoom for paid webinars step by step clearly. To enable LMS integration with Zoom for paid webinars, start by logging into your Zoom account. Navigate to the admin section on the left sidebar. Click on Account Management to access the account settings. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find the Integration section. Locate the option for LMS integration and enable it by toggling the switch. Next, log in to your learning management system. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Integration section of your LMS. Look for the option to add a new integration and select Zoom from the list. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between your LMS and Zoom. Once authorized, you will need to enter your Zoom API key in secret. These can be found in your Zoom account under the Developers section. Make sure to save your settings within the LMS after entering the API details. Now, return to your Zoom account to create a new webinar. Fill out all the necessary details for your webinar, including title, date, and time. Under the Registration section, enable paid registration if desired. Set the payment method and pricing options for attendees. Once the webinar is set up, copy the registration link provided. Head back to your LMS and create a course or module for the webinar. Paste the Zoom registration link into the appropriate section of your LMS. Ensure all links and details are correct before finalizing your course settings. Finally, publish the course in your LMS and inform your audience about the webinar. Your LMS integration with Zoom for paid webinars is now successfully enabled and ready to go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.